guys, welcome back to channel The
Bong Buddies React.
Nigar,
Ahmed.
So today we are back again after a long time actually. Today we are gonna react on some movie trailer and it's called 83 featuring
83.
Ranveer Singh. Can you imagine Ranveer Singh? He's an amazing actor.
His last movie was maybe.
I actually don't remember.
I don't even remember. I think it's been a long time of his
I know
last
it's
movie.
the poster is saying that it's maybe some kind of sports type movie.
Yeah, I didn't see the poster.
Yeah, it's a
Okay,
cricket
let's
type.
see.
So guys, I'm so excited. Let's not delay.
Check out the video.
3, 2, 1,
Go.
India must be still recovering from the double thrashing they received from the West Indies and
This is about
Australia.
cricket.
If they
Yeah.
win today by a huge margin, they're still in the tournament. If not, so long.
Caps, it's 2 down, Caps.
That's another one gone.
Caps, 3 down.
क्या बचपना है जस्ट शट अप
This is a disaster.
Caps, 4 out हो गए.
इतने इंपॉर्टेंट मैच में भी सीरियस नहीं होना है मजाक की भी हद होती है स्कोर क्या है
9 run. 4 wicket down. Where is our team bus? No bus here for Indian team.
आराम से मारना चिक्का भाई नेट प्रैक्टिस है हमको चुम्मा टुकु टुकु खेलने नहीं आता और कपल ऐसे समझा दे मैं सर पे मार देनी बॉल
रहन तो मद्दी पर नहीं आती उसे डिफेंस
चिक्के उधर क्वीन को आग मत मार देना.
श्रीकांत ओए बल्लू इसे बोल कल तुझे देख लूंगा.
बात सुनो.
क्या बोला था कल तुझे देख लूंगा.
Shoot मारो.
कल बड़ा मैच है ना?
सिद्धू
he's back. Oh, Queen is back.
क्या है
You mean do or die?
So now in 1983 we come here and our captain says we'll beat the West Indies. ए क्या पागल हो गया रे हमारा captain.
Everybody look in the lens.
What do you think are your team's chances in the cup?
Yeah.
We here to win.
To win the World Cup?
What does
Oh
we
my
here
God,
for?
his look is totally changed.
I don't think the Indians can quite see the ball. It's moving too fast for them.
India in big trouble now. 2 wickets down in quick succession. एक के बाद एक बल्लेबाज
मैच खत्म वर्ल्ड कप खत्म कप्तान खत्म
ओए एक मैच तो जीत के जाओ. एक
35 साल पहले हम लोग आजादी जीते, मगर इज्जत जीतना भी बाकी है कप्तान.
ग्राउंड के पारावारी लाइन में कुछ भी हो रहा हो जब हम ये यूनिफॉर्म पहनकर ग्राउंड में उतरते हैं
That's
तो हमारा एक ही मकसद
white
होता
beard.
है जान लगा के देश के लिए खेलना.
I say before, we here to win.
This is the glasses. So I think it's it's about the story of India winning World Cup. I think
And it is the first
it's
World Cup
like the way the MS Dhoni type. Like the history of the man.
It's old and
It's about a long time before, man. It was I forgot when
83.
India won. 83 was the time I think when the India won the first World Cup
We
with
didn't even born.
yeah.
But,
Yeah, that's why I don't know the. I am very.
we know about Kapil Dev. We actually love cricket so much.
So
we are
I
fan of cricket.
watch a lot of cricket, and Kapil Dev is
we love
obviously
Indian teams, we
one
love
of the legends.
About-
I should have known, man. This is Kapil Dev's look.
It's also about a true story, I think.
Yeah, obviously it is
Gavaskar,
about.
yeah.
I think it is about the
About
history of
Kapil
Kapil Dev and also his the path of winning World Cup. I think that's the story, and obviously there is
I was
lot
having
of
goosebumps.
yeah, because there is
Wow.
lot of emotions because in subcontinent,
patriotism was
the
there,
in
I
subcontinent cricket is something something else. Even it is
Yeah,
for
the-
when you talk
every
about Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, every country, cricket is not just a game; it's emotion.
Emotion, of course, there's emotion.
Obviously,
It's memory.
we are just crazy about cricket, as it is true actually. Obviously,
Yeah,
it is true.
also
Seriously,
our parents also are crazy.
even
about
my
cricket.
mom is a serious fan of cricket. Even I forget. Sometime I may forget about the matches. She reminds me.
Yeah, and she also cooks earlier, and then she is. When is the match starting?
She, sometimes like I am. I get up late. I forgot about the matches. I am still sleeping. She just, hey, there's a match. I'm not going to watch the match. Then I say, oh yeah.
I'm actually looking forward for this movie.
Yeah, obviously, I think
It's coming 24th
I watch
December.
MS Dhoni because obviously I'm a big fan of Dhoni, and
Also Sushant.
obviously Sushant Singh he did really well. We didn't react on any song on that.
We are
Yeah,
not even.
I saw
dragon
that
Sushant.
movie. It was really, and also the songs was awesome, and I hope this one will also.
And also
very good
Ranveer
because-
Singh and Deepika Padukone.
Oh yeah, the
is
couple.
back.
I think after their marriage, it is their first movie together.
Maybe I don't know.
I think the Padmavat was before their marriage. I think I'm not sure actually. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But I think what they did is I think they tried to give us the the feel about this 1980s. And also, I think then the look, especially this
Yeah,
looks
Kapil, oh
so
my God.
changed. He totally looks like Kapil Dev, and I am. Why I didn't recognize him at first? I should have recognized him first. So I think that one was really cool.
Yeah,
and I
you
obviously
also
I'm looking forward.
watch this movie.
We actually are looking forward to watch this. I think it will be another masterpiece like the MS Dhoni, the untold story.
Yeah.
And obviously, I think we are going to watch another masterpiece.
And we
Hope
also
so.
want to say that we will be regular. Maybe he maybe won't be.
Yeah,
available
maybe I won't be
soon.
available soon because I am having a real pressure with, as you can see, I
University
know,
and exams.
as you can see, I am not even, what can I say, I am not recognizing Kapil Dev, so obviously I'm in a lot of pressure right now. So she will be all alone. I hope you guys will show us a lot of love, and maybe I will not be able to complete for a month or more, but I think I will.
It's okay.
I will try to make some room. So all the best for her.
If you like the video, please like,
I
comment,
can
subscribe the channel. Please suggest us more videos.
Yeah,
And
more
we will be
interesting videos.
regular. I promise we'll be regular from now and then. So, so guys, till the next video.
Goodbye.